Hi, Cornerstone kids. We're going to make goop today. It's a real fun thing. We've done it here before and you guys like it. Parents, just know this is a messy, fun thing to do. So be prepared. You're going to need cornstarch and water, and you use equal amounts of each. You can add a little food coloring if you like, and you just mix it up. You can mix it with a spoon or you can mix it with your hands. We pretty much like to use our hands. I'm gonna get started here. Let's get some cornstarch in our cup. Whoops, a little mess already. So half a cup of cornstarch. And let's do red. And we're gonna put some food coloring in here, a couple drops. And then we're gonna start adding our water. Sometimes you have to add a little more water. Sometimes you have to add a little more cornstarch. And you just mix this all up. Some of it gets kind of hard, but look at it. Isn't that cool? You just keep mixing it around, mixing it around. Let's add a little bit more of this. Sometimes you don't think it's doing anything. You might want to add a little more cornstarch to it and mix it up. Sometimes it feels hard in the bottom. Look at it. Hence the name goop. Do I need to add more cornstarch? Let's add a little more cornstarch. I probably added a little too much water to begin with. And look, it almost looks hard like a... And then it just slimes right out of your hand. Look at that. You get your hands in there, you start mixing it around. And again, sometimes you have to add more cornstarch, like me. You just have to kind of play with it and see what it's like. Now, see, that's really hard. But then when you start mixing it around, it gets all slimy and goopy again. Well, you guys just keep playing with it, practicing with it. I would probably put it in a pan or a bowl and let them do it. And then just let them play. It's fun to get your hands in this mess. Well, here's signing off. Stay healthy. Have a good day and have fun playing in your goop.